Hello, good afternoon, mathematicians. Today is 28th of September, and it's the monthly two. We are having this AMA with our CEO, Mr. Owen Tao, to provide transparency and to address certain concerns or questions coming from you. So to submit your questions from time to time so we can kind of refresh ourselves and also to address what's needed by the community. So, yeah. So as usual, we have Owen with us. Owen, hi, how are you?
Hi, I'm good. Hi, Eric. Hi, Matrix community.
Okay. Yeah, so you are now on a business trip, right? Just getting off the plane. I can tell from your face. Sorry for keeping this task on your agenda, particularly in your busy schedule. So could you tell us what's the purpose of your business trip this time? Where are you located at?
I'm in Hunan, Changsha. Changsha, is a very big city in the south of China. Yeah.
Yeah, and also the hometown for President Mao Zedong. Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. So yeah, okay. So are you ready for the questions coming from our community?
Yeah.
Okay, let's go. So the first question comes from the admin Dafer. Questions is like this: what matrix AI network will have to do for small business in the future? I mean, will the blockchain help the small business to develop more their activities? So yeah, over to you, Owen.
Yeah. I think, in fact, I think the Matrix 2.0 version is not. I think it's not designed for the for the big business company. Yeah. Because in our opinion, we have designed and decentralized computing power distribution platform, and also we'd like to make the data and also the algorithm into the assets as NFT. Yeah, we do all of this. It's because we want to make the cost to use the artificial intelligence lower. We'd like to lower this cost. Yeah, so we designed the matrix. In our opinion, we'd like to make everyone can use their own artificial intelligence work. We'd like to make the cost lower. It can help all kinds of the people or the small business. That's our opinion. So yeah, as we develop more in the matrix projects in the future, I think the more we will help the small business in the future. Yeah, that's our plan. Yeah.
Okay, so simply, we provide different tools or utilities for different business layers, be it big or small. So basically, we provide Manta to train their algorithm, and so that you can mint it as an NFT through Mania, and also to trade it on their mainnets. And through API, you can integrate these AI services into your platform or your website, so your clients or your customer can make use of this AI service, and that can benefit for those business. So in a way, the Matrix 2.0 is designed for that way. Yeah, it's not just in the future. It's designed for in that sense. And don't forget, we have the Matrix 3.0 roadmap. While we haven't decided the final direction, so I can assure you there are many exciting stuff that we have discussed, and it is quite fascinating when we decide the direction for the Matrix 3.0. So just stay tuned for that. And this can be kinds of groundbreaking for the industry as well. Yeah. Owen, I got a further question. This is about the mentor thing because we just mentioned about the mentor maintenance and insomnia. So as far as I know, the dev has finished the development work for the mentor to be deployed on the mainnet. So we are now at the stage of testing it in-house. Okay. Do you have a schedule for it to be kinds of deployed to the mainnet? Because last time we were saying that by end of the month. So are we still on schedule?
Right now, we have already introduced the mentor onto our mainnet, and we are doing the close testing right now. After that, at the first time, the first part, we will introduce some partners to join our testing work. I think it will spend about 1 or 2 months, and after that, we will open the mentor system, and we will give a guide, means how to put mentor install mentor on your own miners or your GPU machines or something else, and after that you can offer your GPU computing power or your computing power to someone who would like to use the decentralized auto machine learning system, and you will get rewards. Yeah, that's our schedule.
Okay, so the schedule you're talking about is about 1 month, right?
Yeah, 1 or 2 months, I think. Yeah.
Okay, so this relates to the question they asked by Bud Spencer 469. How long will be the test phase of mentor with the partners? So your question, I mean, what you say, just answer this question. Can I get it right?
Yeah.
So 1 month.
Yeah. It will spend about 1 or 2 months. Yeah.
So
after that,
so in a way that we have to wait for the result of this initial test by the partners, and then we can deploy to the mainnet. That is after 1 month. It's not this month. Am I correct?
Yeah. Till now, we have already deployed the mentor on the miners we have selected from our mainnet. Yeah, we have do the auto machine learning and decentralized computing power renting system on some of our mainnets right now. Yeah, after that we will make a guide document to tell our community how to install the mentor on their own machines, and after that, yeah, you can connect your own machines into the mentor platform, and if there are someone they will rent your computing power, you will get rewards. Yeah.
So to put it simply, so the hardware side or the coding side for the mentor is ready. Just we need the time to prepare all kinds of documentation so that when it's released to the public, everyone will be able to know how to use that. So
there are 2 parts of work we need to do. Yeah, there are 2 parts of the work we are doing right now. The first one is we are doing the testing, because if we open it to the public, we need to do enough testing work. This is the first part, and the second part is we are preparing the guide documents right now. Yeah, and we will release release our client, and you can install it according our guide documents. You can install the mentor on your own machines. Yeah.
Okay, and we can expect that by end of October.
Yeah. I think.
Okay, I think. I will keep reminding you then.
Okay.
Okay. And the third question is from Lecco. Yeah. What's your main feature that distinguishes you from other projects? I think this is an old question. Owen addressed a couple times. Would you like to address again?
Yeah. Till now, I think the matrix, we have divided the matrix into 2 phases. The first one, the matrix 1.0 and the matrix 2.0. In the first part, we have used artificial intelligence to enable the blockchain. We use the AI technologies to make the blockchain better, including we have make a new consensus, and we have improved the TPIs of our mainnet. Yeah, so the first part is an AI enabled blockchain, and in the Matrix 2.0, we'd like to, in our opinion, we want to design artificial intelligence platform which based on the blockchain. Yeah, so in the second part we have we offer lots of the decentralized AI services, such as the AI computing power and the AI services, and also with we have already realized that this function that you can translate your own you can mint your own data and your algorithm and into an NFT as an assets. It can be transferred to anyone you like. Yeah, and that's the second part. The Matrix is a decentralized AI platform which based on a blockchain. Yeah, and that's us. That's Matrix.
Okay. Yeah, I think Owen has addressed that a couple of times, and we have serious articles about the key difference between Matrix and also other AI projects. However, because we keep evolving and evolving at a fast speed thanks to the advancement of the technology and also to the brainstorming of the whole community. Yeah, it's not just AI, but we extend AI to Matrix 3.0. And that's what I just mentioned in the beginning. Evolution is a key part of our project. And you must stay tuned for the roadmap of our Matrix 3.0. And they will be exciting, and it will be a key difference from us with other AI projects. And I'm sure other AI projects evolve themselves as well. But I think the Matrix 3.0 will be a very fundamental difference in terms of development and in terms of path that we are going after. Yeah. So Lecto, stay tuned with our roadmap for Matrix 3.0. Yeah. Good. Dev documentation are not clear enough to use and to develop apps. At least for me, I'm a developer. Yeah, we understand that. Yeah. Are you planning to update or upgrade the documents? Detailed documentation with sample cooks will attract more developers. Thank you. This is from I Am Hockey. Yeah, very good question. Yeah, we do understand that. We do appreciate that. Yeah, Owen.
Yeah, that's a very good suggestion. Yeah, I think we will do that after we finish all the testing work for Manta, and also we have already we finished the roadmap design for the next part of the Matrix. I think we will spend 1 or 2 months to go through all the development documents and make it better for all kinds of the developers to use. Yeah, that's a good suggestion, and we will do that.
Yeah, thanks Owen for varying the inputs from the I'm Hockey. Yeah, I'm Hockey. Yeah, we understand the pain, and because we have been keep busy trying to fulfill the roadmap for the 2.0, and we are still deciding the final direction for the 3.0. So we have to keep provide priorities to these two. So after that, we will spend 1 to 2 months, according to Owen. Then we will update, have a review and update the cooks, so that we can facilitate the developers to develop and in a way to enrich our ecosystem. Thanks for that. I'm Hockey, right? Okay, yeah. In the new roadmap, is ledger support planned? From Christoph. Owen?
Yeah, right now, yeah, let me explain it. And right now we are doing the updating work for the ledger support. So I don't think we will put the ledger support into our new roadmap because it's not a main function for Matrix. But we are doing this work right now. Yeah, that's my answer.
Yeah, good. Yeah, exactly. And Ken is spearheading this one. Yeah, just for your information, Chris. All right. Moving on. Matrix AI service platform reputation will depend on the quality of the AI service it will provide. If someone develops an AI service app and they want to list on Matrix AI service platform, and they claim that the AI service accuracy is 99%, how Matrix will validate their claim and accept or reject the request based on the validation results? This question is from Boscoot. Owen?
Right now in our platform, such as the Mandat platform, we will do some testing work. If you want to list your own algorithm or your AI apps on it, we will do some testing work before we list it. But I think in the future we will make it open. So that means we will not, and we won't test any algorithms or the apps which would like to be listed on it. So anyone can put their own AI algorithms or models or their apps on the Mandat platform. How to find out if these applications or the algorithm are useful, and I think there will be lots of the clients. They will use all kinds of the algorithm and the applications on Mandat platform, and they will write down their judgment about how they feel after they use that. So we want to handle this work, which the testing and the rank work to the community and the market. I think the market will give the correct judgment for all the services and the applications which listed on the Mandat platform. Yeah, that's my answer and our plan.
Yeah, I think that's right. Just imagine Taobao or eBay. All right, so it would be the customer to decide if the merchant is good or not. If the merchant is good, then the ranking when you search, it will be get to the top, and the sales will go up as well. So it's the same logic, just like eBay or Taobao, the merchant stuff. Yeah, or also the product listing. Yeah, and both could have another question. Yeah, which is quite a hot topic. Now that the ETH has changed its consensus mechanism to POS, proof of stake, there are a lot of ETH GPU mining resource that Matrix AI platform can tap in. Is there a plan for promote Matrix AI platform to ETH miners? Yeah, Owen?
Yeah, that's a very good question, because it's also our plan. I think after we have done after we have finished the testing work for the Manta, our plan, we'd like to introduce the Matrix Manta platform to all the ETH miners. We'd like to introduce their GPU computing power to our main network. But before that, we did like to design a very good business plan for them, how much the rewards they will get. We need to design some good plan for them. Yeah, if you have some any good suggestion, please write to us, and we can discuss that. We will do this work after our Manta launches. Yeah.
Okay, good. Thanks, Owen. Yeah, Bosket, did you kind of join our weekly meeting? Because this item has been discussed just, I think, last week in our weekly meeting. Yeah. So I'm not sure whether you have overheard something or you virtually joined our weekly meeting and then have this question. Yeah, I just kind of kidding. So yeah, we do have consider that and discuss that in our weekly meeting as well. Yeah, and then the moving on. This is a long question. One question with 5 small questions. Yeah, this is from Lego. Hello there. First of all, thank you for your work as a team. First question. Are you making AI software only for blockchain? Do you have AI software in other fields? I will cut the long question into 5 small questions so that you can easily answer. Owen, for the first small question.
Yeah, and first, our algorithm software is not for blockchain. Our AI software is for all kinds of the business, such as the industry, the finance, or others. We just deploy our artificial intelligence algorithm onto blockchain to make it decentralized. That's what we are doing. Yeah.
Yeah, that's our the business model that Owen just mentioned. It's not just an AI service. It's kind of decentralized AI economy model from our perspective. Yeah. Second question: does the software have a self-learning or self-prevention feature, or does it work limited to certain algorithms? Owen?
Yeah, each algorithm we have offered is focused on certain targets. Yeah, we don't do that self-learning, but you should know learn something about our Meta platform, which is auto machine learning platform. Yeah, so if you can put your algorithm or our algorithm on it, it will do the auto machine learning by the data you have provided. Yeah.
Yep. So simply put, it does not just limit to certain algorithms. You can train whatever algorithms that you want to, as long as you have the data and you have the models, and you can make use of Meta to train that, and then use Mania to turn it into an NFT, and then go to mainnet for trade, or go to other public chains to trade your NFT. Yeah. Number 3, can it learn other systems by scanning?
Right now, we can't do this right now. Yeah.
We cannot
do this function right now.
Yeah. And number 4, digital identity work is very important for Web3. Is there a place on roadmap for this? Yeah, that we have discussed. This is one of the 6 directions that we have discussed in depth, and we haven't decided if we were going to pursue after DID, or just DID will be a part of the whole roadmap. So we haven't decided it, so stay tuned. Lego. Then the 5th from Lego. Are there any new investors that you are meeting with? We are doing kinds of day-to-day communications with our community. So in a way, to do education and also to spread the news or development of metrics. So for those interested parties and who did their own research and they found we have the potential, then they will make a wise decision to join. Yeah, that's the answer to that. Yeah. Owen, is that right?
Yeah.
Okay, good. Yeah, that goes to the last questions, and the last question is from EB Magic. Will we be able to connect to the GPU power of the Matrix AI cloud for infrastructure as a service, such as 3D rendering software?
Right now, the Meta platform just supports the machine learning. Yeah, it's special for training the training and running the artificial intelligence algorithm. Right now, this is the key function for Meta right now. We haven't introduced other kinds of the computing power services into the Meta platform. Yeah, we can't do the the 3D rendering right now. Yeah, but and in the future, when our Meta platform running for some time and safe and good, we would like to add more functions on it. Yeah, and I think in the future, you can use this computing power to do some ad services in the future. Yeah, ads.
Okay, I see. Thanks, Owen. And I think that answer all the 9 questions that we screened from the submissions for September AMA. And before we end this AMA, how many days you are going to stay in Changsha, Owen?
Maybe 2 or 3 days. Yeah, I come here because there are some companies they'd like to use our algorithms on the Magneto. Yeah, and also there are some partners they are interested to use our Meta platform for their new business. That's why I came here to discuss with them. Yeah.
Okay, and don't forget to take some pictures and then to publish tweets. We would like to, I trust the community would like to know how's everything going on with you in Changsha. Okay, thank you, Owen, for your time, and thanks, Matricians, for submitting your questions. Yeah, and to keep giving us feedbacks and questions, and we are happy to address your concerns and to provide transparency of the development progress of the project. Okay, and just stay safe. Bye.
Bye.